Җәлил, the willow. Near our home there is a willow growing. She's so happy the spring is here. When I come in or when I'm going, she bows her greeting to me. When I'm back home from my work, I settle in the plushness of her shade. Every evening I love to rest here, amongst the flowers' sweet cascade. By her willowy arms encircled, all too often my poems I rhyme. At such time, in meditation, to my notes her head she inclines. When a willow was set in motion by a gust of springtime breeze, one light leaf that had come asunder found the lines of my poem with ease. Willows, alas, have no means of talking, so she hoped that a wind would blow, and the leaf that she sent in greeting her affection clearly would show.